So Nick, we had a lot of rain falling yesterday, and I have a new building coming up there, and it's just water all over the place out in front.
Yeah, there's no shortage of water right now here in the region. Quite a few reports of flooding yesterday. Many of the areas common flooding areas, but still lots and lots of water. Some spots picking up more than 4 inches of rainfall. And this morning the rain has come to an end, but we're still tracking some fog to begin our day. Live view in parts of, you can see southeast Missouri, dense fog advisory. Want to show you here a live view in just a minute from Mount Vernon with the fog still as well, but visibility down to less than 1/4 of a mile right now across parts of the Missouri Boot Heel. But just because you're not in the Missouri Boot Heel, well, if you're in southern Illinois, western Kentucky, we've got some patchy fog there, especially in some of the valleys. There's that live view from Mount Vernon, one of the spots that shows that fog. And I'll tell you, 2 hours ago, you could hardly even see the street lights. So it has actually improved just a bit, but here as we go throughout the day, lots of dampness and cloudy skies. Once again, a dreary day, just not a lot of rain in the forecast today. Now looking ahead to Wednesday, that's our next weather maker. Not a big winter storm, and in a snowless winter, though, well, we've got to take what we can get, I guess. But some light snow on the way as we make our way towards Wednesday. Some minor accumulations, mainly on some grassy surfaces. Thursday, a dry day, but a cold day as well, as some sunshine will help start the drying out process here in our region. This morning, though, again, a lot of low clouds still lingering around. You may see some breaks in those clouds, especially in the parts of southeast Missouri and southern Illinois right now. In fact, where we've seen some clearing skies back in the Missouri Boot Heel. That's why we've got some fog that has developed there. Temperatures back in the upper 30s from Mount Vernon to Marion. 38 currently in Marion, 39 in Mount Vernon. Still some 40s though underneath the low clouds. Paducah and Sikeston still back currently into the mid 40s. Could see a couple peaks of sunshine here early this morning. This afternoon we'll jump up to about 44 degrees at lunchtime and then start to see temperatures slip back just a bit later on this afternoon. Some cooler air set to arrive, and then by tonight we'll be dropping through the 30s, back into low 30s by midnight as we cross back below that freezing mark. If you are doing any traveling today across the upper Midwest, Iowa, northern Illinois, still battling lots of winter weather. That's the storm system that brought us the rain yesterday, but it is exiting, pushing off to the east. There's all the snow out across the upper Midwest. That's getting on out of here as well. We are tracking this storm system coming over the Rocky Mountains. That's the one that's going to bring us a chance for some light snow by this time tomorrow morning. In fact, looking ahead to 8 a.m. Wednesday morning, temperatures hovering right around the freezing spot there, and notice the snow starts to move in. Some of the heaviest snow expected first thing Wednesday morning. Temperatures, though, just a few degrees above freezing. And what that means is we're probably not going to see too many impacts on roads. A lot of wet roads out there. We could see maybe an isolated slick spot, a bridge or something like that become slushy, but not expecting big travel impacts. Most of the accumulation on Wednesday will likely be confined to grassy surfaces. By Wednesday evening, snow starts to exit and shift off to the east. And there you go. Latest projected snowfall map, but it's up to maybe 1 inch or so, mainly on some grassy surfaces. So again, not a big winter storm for us here, but about an 80% chance of seeing some of that light snow on Wednesday. Thursday, sunshine set to return by the afternoon. Now by Friday, we're going to jump back in the mid 40s. Saturday and Sunday, though, brings more wet weather. In fact, Saturday evening into Sunday morning looking very wet, possibly another inch or so of rain. Looking ahead to early next week, we'll start off the month of February there Monday, 42 degrees. We'll return right back to near 50 by Wednesday, but more chances of wet weather on the horizon by the